Hello everybody. We're going to.
What? Aloha guys. So I'm here with my husband and my two kids at the back. Yep. They did not say hi. But yeah, we're heading to Honolulu and we're gonna stay at the hotel Embassy Suites to celebrate my birthday. Yes. Where are we? Walking to the beach. Hi, Cody. Hi. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon already, and we have to head back at about 5 o'clock because we need to go to Hilton Hawaiian Village for a dinner. Hilton Hawaiian Village area by the lagoon.
Yep.
It's a really nice place. Cody, did you have fun? Yeah.
Hi Cody.
Where are we going back?
Yeah.
Now we're heading to Bali Oceanfront. We're gonna have dinner. Hi, Cody.
Happy birthday. No, this is like broth.
The chicken au jus.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's the main course.
The kids' chicken, I had them slice it.
Wow.
Smashed potatoes and
That's amazing, Cody.
And here's a
Oh,
fresh
sorry.
maki-maki
Oh,
with the
wow.
Israeli couscous.
Thank you. Okay, babe.
Babe,
How's it?
oh
Right.
my god.
This is the best seared ahi I've ever tasted in my life.
Really?
It's worth it. The food is really good. The service is excellent, amazing.
Is it coming?
Yeah, what are we waiting for?
We're waiting for fireworks.
Fireworks. See, there's a lot of people, and definitely there's a lot of people right there. So we got a perfect spot.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Best birthday ever.
Hi.
And we're back from our amazing dinner. The boys are happy. I am happy. We're all happy. The kids are happy. But our night doesn't end here because we're gonna go to the famous Sky Waikiki. Bye guys. The oldies can't stand it anymore.
Yep.
But we had fun. Right now we're walking at the Waikiki street.
Yep. But it was fun hanging out with my wife again. It's been a while. It was actually fun.
Thanks, babe.
Yeah. Alright, well, time to go back at the hotel room to check on the kids. Alright. Alright, babe.
Boys are here. Hi, guys. Hey.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Hawaii.
Hello, babe. Good morning. Happy breakfast. Happy birthday.
So there you go, guys. We just had breakfast. It was
awesome.
Yeah, it was yummy.
It was yummy. It was yummy. So we're going back to our room. We're gonna prepare our stuff. We're gonna prepare our things. And we're gonna be checking out. And then we'll be heading to Sealife Park. Let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday,
Should we make a wish, Nana?
I'll make a wish. Thank you, Kuya.
Nanay. Show.
I love your gifts.
Dad.
Is that from your piggy bank?
Whoa.
Ew, from that
Thank you, Kuya. We already checked out, but we are not yet going home. We are going to Sealife Park.
Call me when the rain comes falling down. Think of me the night when you go out. You don't need me when the world turns upside down.
This is for the roller.
Did you see the shark? What can you say about the shark?
I like it.
Wait.
Touch it. There. Where are we going next?
Different dots.
Dippin' Dots?
Yeah.
There you go. So that's the food court, I think. It's a Beach Boy Lanai where you can buy food. You cannot bring food here. Bye.